Okay, let me clarify myself here for the bozos out there, okay? So it appears the douche company, who makes the douche bag, has reinvented a bag, the same type of bag, and put a different end on it all. And now they're calling it a shower bag. Whip-de-ding-ding, you know? Where I come from, the time frame I grew up in, there was no such thing as a douche bag being used for showers, okay? That's the reason I said what I said. Now they fucking just took the same old bag and they turned around and changed the hose and wand and put a little shower on that and promoted it for camping and showering. That's fine too, okay? But then I guess you should change the name to shower bag. You should never put the word douche in it, but just the same. I thought I'd show you what came from my time there. That's right. For the dumbasses out there that says I'm full of shit, okay? Douche, that's right, is a device used to introduce a stem of water into the body for medical or hygienic reasons of the stem of water itself. Douche usually refers to vaginal irritation or wrenching of the vagina. But it also refers to wrenching of any body cavity. Douche bag is a piece of equipment for douching. A bag for holding the fluid using douche to avoid transformation and essential bacteria of the vagina. Okay, I don't think I need to go any further. I'll leave this link in the more underneath, okay? So, you know, for all you bozos out there, including Smiling Dumbass over there, okay? So, since the time I was a kid and I grew up around my grandma who had one, okay? And I learned what it was back when I was a kid. The same company has taken and made the same bag all over again and put a different hose and a different end on it. Whip-de-fucking-ding-ding, okay? And then sold it to a bunch of bozos for going out camping and showering. Well, that's fine, so they've done that, you know. But, you know, to come up and call names and say, clearly I don't do my research, clearly I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, and douche is a word for shower, and douche is this and douche is that. So there's Smiling Dumbass, okay? You might want to make sense out of what you're looking at here. The word douche. Yeah, there you go, by golly. That's right, from the time when I was a child and they made douche bags. Not for camping, by the way, not for showering, by the way, but for what it says right here. That's what I come off with my terminology for. So why would I go research something I knew from the time I was a child? Okay? Well, okay, maybe if I researched what I already knew from the time I was a child, I'd realize that the same company turned around and added a different bag using the same method and put a different, they just made the same bag and put a different hose end on the end of it is all. And then told you to take it showering and camping, okay? Whip-de-fucking-ding-ding. Okay? But was I off on what I said a douchebag originally was? No, I wasn't. Right here. Here it is. Here it is in your face. This is what I grew up around that my grandma had in the bathroom. Yep. Okay? And when I asked what it was, I was told what it was. And it was for women. That's right. So see, was I totally off on what I said? I don't think so, Smiling Dumbass. Okay? So you clearly want to make a joke and say that I need to go research. Maybe you should have dug and did a little more research before you opened your big mouth, huh? Okay, so just like I didn't realize they had, same company, had taken and made a bag for showering, same damn bag, douche bag, okay, and used it for showering instead of cleaning out the vagina, that's fine and dandy. And what did I say in my video? I said, I suppose if you wanted to use it for a shower, to take a shower with, I suppose you could. But a douche bag originally, before they went and made another one and caught it for camping, originally was used for this reason right here. But I guess you couldn't get that through people who are so busy stalking me like Smiling Skeptic, that's right, who stalk somebody they don't even like to think that they can look for mistakes they might make to use a mistake against them to try to make themselves look smart and important. Okay? Like as if that dumbass don't make no mistakes himself. And I suppose he would probably be the first one to tell you that, no, I don't make mistakes. And that right there, if he was to ever say that to anybody, then you would know that Bozo the Clown mask belongs on his face. Okay? Because that would make him a douchebag like he called me. But if you want to know who the real douchebag is, I guess it would be Smiling Skeptic. Because he clearly tried to deny openly that I didn't know what I was talking about. Okay? Smiling Dumbass clearly said that I didn't know what I was talking about and I was a joke, okay? And I need to go do some research. So it took me a whole second to bring it up. That's right. It took me a whole second to bring up the word douche. That's right. A whole second. A douche bag is a piece of equipment for douching, a bag for holding fluid used in douching to avoid transformation of bacteria into the vagina. Oh, excuse me. But, you know, for some dumbasses out there, like Smiling Dumbass over there, to clearly make a video to this, I just had to. Oh, yeah. Because I know he didn't do any research yet, because I know what it is. It's for camping, yeah. That's right. And douche is a French word. It means shower, yeah. I know, because I'm Smiling Skeptic, yeah. Okay. So if that's the case, Smiling Dum-Dum, how come I'm showing you what I'm showing you? How come my grandma, who was old enough to be your grandma too, Dum-Dum, had one of these hanging in her bathroom? How come they were making these long before they made one and said for showers out in the wilderness? Okay, but you know, as I said in that video, I suppose if you want to use one for a shower, you could, but you know, it appears from what Smiling Skeptic showed that, because my eyes ain't good with small print, I seen the word douche, but my eyes hate small print. I guess that comes with age, okay? But, you know, douche, bag, right here, is commonly what it was used for from the time I was a kid on up. And, of course, common sense says since I already knew what it was used for, I wasn't going to go research it. But, you know, I guess, you know, modern day times, the same company who made this here item made the same item all over again and just stuck a different wand on the end of it and put camping underneath of it. That's fine. I don't care about that. But, you know, since you guys want to spend all of your time looking for a mistake I might make. That's right. Because you're busy stalking me. That's right. And you think you're so smart. That's right. Ain't that right, Smiley? Okay? So since you think you're so smart, and Bill clearly don't do any research, hey, Smiley, you're correct. You clearly didn't do any research before you made that video. You are correct. You didn't do no research yourself. Because, see, Smiley, if you had clearly done some research before you tried to make a reply, you might have discovered Bill wasn't as far off as you thought he was. So now who's the joke? Now who's the joke, Smiley? What am I showing you right here, Smiley? Douchebag! And they come in different colors, by the way. That's right. Use 4 right here. You know, I wonder if the audio works on this. It shows an audio, but it may not work. But that's all right. It don't need to work. I'll leave the link for this in the more because, see, this is what I was talking about. This is commonly known as a douchebag. Okay? And what Smiling Skeptic's talking about, I have no idea. I guess modern time stuff, you know. He's not talking about, you know, but it's very clear that he clearly tried to make it out as I don't know the first clue of what I'm talking about, that I am so full of shit, and that I need to do research. But if he had done some research himself, he could have found this in about a half a second. See, my grandma had this hanging in her bathroom. My other grandma used to come and stay the summer or the winters with us. And she had one hanging in our bathroom every time she was there. That's right, and it was a bag. Hers was black, as by the way, because they do make these in different colors. Okay, that was the grandma that stayed with me. The other one that stayed with me had one, it was a blue one. Okay, but just the same, you know, and so I said what it was for, cleaning out the vagina. He told me I was stupid. He told me I didn't know what I was talking about. Well, here's what I was talking about. And right here, and if I didn't do any research, I wasn't going to research something, I already knew what it was. But I guess it would have helped Smiley if he'd have actually done what he told everybody I don't do. Because it's obvious he didn't do it himself. Because if he had done it himself, he would have clearly known what I was talking about. But he clearly didn't know what I was talking about and tried to say how full of shit I was. So I thought I'd show you how full of shit I wasn't. Here it is, in your face. Try to go around it if you want. I grew up around it. My grandma's had them. And then you try to sit there and tell me I don't know what I'm talking about? The only difference would be you're showing one that they've remade and left the word douche on, okay, for showering in the wilderness. Whip the fucking ding ding, okay? That's cool. So you've taken the same one, which I suppose you could use for showering, if you chose to, right? And you've put in a different hose with a different end on the end of it. That's all you've done. Okay, but when I said a douchebag was commonly known for this, I wasn't kidding. If you went back to when I was a kid, there was no such thing as a douchebag for showering. That's right, there was no such thing as a douchebag for showering out in the wilderness camping out. Didn't exist. So it's something they've had to make it over the last several years or what have you. Or maybe 20 years ago, who knows, because I haven't researched it since I was a kid because I already knew what it was. And clearly when I saw it in the video, I saw a douche bag. I knew what a douchebag was. So I clearly didn't fuck up too bad now, did I? No. Because I knew what I was talking about. Now that they've taken and made one for camping and using it for a shower, that's fine and dandy if that's what you want to do. I said that in the video. I suppose you could use it for showering, but was I joking when I said that a douchebag was commonly used for cleaning out a woman's vagina? No, I wasn't. Is he laughing and thinking I don't know what I'm talking about? Yeah, he is. But here it is right here, and I didn't know what I was talking about. I was not lying to anybody. But Smiley wouldn't know that, would he? Because he didn't do any research. Isn't that right, Smiley? You're busy telling everybody how I need to do some research before I open my mouth. Maybe the next time you better do some research yourself before you open your mouth, dumbass. Because here's what I was talking about in your face.